Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have just checked into my accommodation for the weekend. No, totally kidding. But I am checking out this abandoned bus which is located at Lake Tyrrell. It has been on my list of places to come and see since I got to Victoria. So I decided to make the little 4-hour drive out here to check out the Salt Lake, the silos, and this abandoned bus as well. So let me show you guys. And if you are interested to come and visit this as well, I will actually drop the location because I found it so hard to find this. I actually had to trawl Google Maps and zoom in, and I did finally find it, so I'll pop the coordinates in the notes below.
Lake Tyrrell is one of those locations where you could spend a matter of days here, or you could simply just do a day trip, which is what I decided to do today. Now, Lake Tyrrell is effectively a shallow salt lake, which is located just a short drive from Sea Lake. And if you are going to visit, I would highly recommend time this alongside either wet or warm weather, as this is where you're more likely to see that beautiful pink shades of the lake come out due to the red pigment. I'm not going to go too much into detail around the sciencey side of things, but just know that it's absolutely magical, and I would highly recommend put this on your list. this video is a little bit of a shorter one than my usual ones, but I am in the midst of preparing my very last week in Victoria, so I'm going to leave this video here with this absolutely beautiful art silo located in Sea Lake. If you are in the area, you cannot miss this one, and honestly, you wouldn't want to anyway. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video.